Good morning, how are you this morning? Good morning to you. Well, it is Dino and Lorna for another day of toothbrushing, and we are at the end of week 2 of brushing with Dino. Can you believe that? Wow, what fun we've been having. Time's just been flying by. So we're in the garden again and the sun is shining, so it doesn't really get any better than that. And if you listen very carefully, you might even hear the birds singing. Can you hear the birds singing? Oh, yeah, it's nice, isn't it? They're nesting, I think. So, right. So because today is Friday, it is Star Brusher Day, so we'll need to keep a close eye out on the Facebook page for our star brushes. So I'm going to be putting up a couple of our photos, and this week's star brushes are Ollie and Lucy, and they've sent in their fabulous photos, so you'll see them. And also Ollie's getting quite famous. Ollie's been putting up videos and songs and all sorts of things. And Lucy's been sending me some lovely drawings too. So keep them coming, everybody, because I love to see your videos and I love to see your drawings and your toothbrushing antics. Okay, really, really exciting, and I can put them up on the page. All right. So Friday is our star brushing day. Okay, so any photos I get of you brushing your teeth, Friday is the day that you'll see them up on our Facebook page. Okay. So today's song is called Dr. Danny. Okay, now who do you think Dr. Danny might be? Well, he is kind of a doctor, so he's the dentist, and that's a very special person that helps us look after our teeth. So we maybe go and visit them every once in a while, and they help keep an eye on what's going on in our mouths and help give us advice about how to keep them healthy and what to eat, and sorts any problems that we might have with our teeth. So that's a great person to go and visit regularly, isn't it? So could be a man or a lady actually, but the song today is called Dr. Danny, so I think it's a man today. Okay, so Dr. Danny's song goes like this. Dr. Danny, always tells me, brush your teeth in the morning, brush your teeth in the morning. That's not right. Dr. Danny always tells me, brush your teeth, brush them in the morning and again at bedtime. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Will we do it again? Yeah. Dr. Danny always tells me, brush your teeth, brush them in the morning, brush them then at bedtime. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Well done. Super, super job. So, has everybody got their toothbrushes at the ready? Dino's got his toothbrush at the ready. Has everybody got their toothpaste at the ready? We need to put our fluoride toothpaste on our toothbrush, don't we? And it needs to be the size of a pea. So we'll pop that on the brush there. Okay. And we also need our timer. So we're going to flip the timer over. Okay, on your marks, get set, go. That's the timer gone over. The dog's come to see us again as well. I think he wants to be on the telly as well. So, ready, nice and wide, and we're brushing our teeth and our gums. Okay, remember those gums are really super healthy? How did you get on with keeping your sweeties till meal times? Did you get on okay? Can you remember the little poem, how it went? Sugar free, keep your sweets till after tea. Well done. So back to the toothbrushing. Okay, so nice and wide. Roar like a lion. Okay, so all the way around the outside. Little circles. Round and up and down. Well done. And then we need to open nice and wide. nice and wide with our toothbrush like that, getting all the dirt and all the germs off our teeth and from between our teeth, and also our chewing teeth. You remember what they're called again? They're called our munching molars, and they need a good scrub. Well done. Then we can go at the side of our teeth like that, and up the stairs. Turn your toothbrush round on the inside, and then round the outside like that, little circles round and round. I think we've had our 2 minutes yet. Do you think? What do we need to do? What's the very last thing that we need to do? We need to brush our tongues. We'll stick your tongues out. Okay, Dino's tongue's sticking out. There it is. Brush, 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 brush. Trying to eat the toothbrush, not a good idea. And then a little spit in the sink. A little spit like that. And then we can give our toothbrush a little rinse as well. Make sure it's all nice and clean and dry and ready for tonight when we brush our teeth again. Okay, so Lorna and Dino are super happy because everyone is doing such a good job, and I am so proud. So keep on brushing, and we will see you on Monday. Okay, so keep up the good work, guys. All right, goodbye. Goodbye, wipe the tear, baby dear, from your eye. It's hard to go, I know, but we are glad that you enjoyed the show. Excellent, bye. See ya.